better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart. My love and love is all that tear us apart.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, hey. In today's video, I'll be working with Klaiyi here. They went ahead and sent me their 12-inch 150 density straight closure bob unit. It is their 6 by 4.75 bob unit, so you know it's 6 inches here and you know 4.75 inches in the back, but it's really giving 5. Giving 6 by 5, girl. But honestly, this unit eats the girls up. It is 150 density and it's definitely doing the bob motions. You know, I'm just going ahead and shaking my head so you guys can see what kind of vibes this hair gives. It's very grown, classy, and super affordable as well. The links for this gorgeous unit will be in the description box for you to purchase. And in today's video, I just show you how I did this quick and easy glueless install. And when I say glueless, I mean glueless, honey. I can pull it up, put it back down. I could shift it to the side, and I can pull it all the way back. Girl, this glueless unit is 100% glueless. I didn't use this Evan like I always use. Like, all I did was just, you know, brush the hairs back, brush them into place, make it look really nice and natural for the hairline that's showing, and then we're out the door. So if you'd like to see how I did that, just keep on watching. Under 10 minutes, like, what? The links will be in the description box for you to purchase this unit, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
I better find your heart. I better find your heart. Love is all that tear us apart. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart. My love and love is all that tear us apart. Love is all that tear us apart.
Circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass low. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DNA, electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on the dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go tomorrow. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I need the hardest nigga you done never heard? I never like a rapper's dead and bird. The verse for me is like 11 birds. Just did the letters like $2,000 every word. I'm on the verge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hard to man. I'm ballin' on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm counting all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man.
Meet me at London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I'll run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I know.
Perch talk, I can make a brick walk. Up, no, down, soft. Bank hit a picture walk. Hit it with a little water. Stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward. Book a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready to come down. That's a pot of sugar and she bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in that limo, she gon' ride. I see the pain and shot it like pride. I'm in that London with some big thighs. Don't cry, she snakes with the fish size. Did your mama tell you something on fire? Stop dropping roll. I've been on the road like a pair of spinners of stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch, you ain't demon. Got your brother in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it when we won't on that cement.
Meet me at London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I'll run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I knew.
I ain't crushed down with the money. What if all time won't play?
Alright, you guys, so this is the final look, and this gorgeous unit is from Klaiyi Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 6 by 4.75 lace closure unit. It is an air cap glueless unit, and honestly, girl, this unit eats, because not only is the bob bobbing, it is so affordable. It's absolutely wild, absolutely out of this world. Like, I love bobs now because of how affordable they are, how easy it is to install. I literally did this in under 10 minutes. You guys, it is glueless. I can literally lift this wig up right now, and that is absolutely amazing. I love it here. So this is definitely one of those units, like, you know, if you want to just do something really quick and easy for the summertime, you're not going to be sweaty, you're not going to be hot and bothered with all this hair, a bob is definitely the go-to. And like I said, it's super affordable. So if you'd like to get your hands on one of these bobs, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. I'm not getting any shedding, tangling, matting, nothing. Anything bad, I am not getting it. This wig is 100% 10 out of 10. I definitely and highly recommend it. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and click that link in the description box to shop this gorgeous wig from Klaiyi Hair. And of course, you know, all the discounts and good stuff will be in the description box below as well. And that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this gorgeous bob unit, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.